In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends in Character AI. So if you want to interact with others or share AI conversations, I'll walk you through what you need to know. So make sure to stick around until the end. So first, make sure you are on the official website of Character AI and already log in with your credentials. So once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard where you can access your chats and explore different AI characters in here. So now, here's the important part. So Character AI doesn't have a built-in friend list features like social media platforms. However, there are many ways to connect with others and share conversations. So one way to interact with others is by joining to community discussions or engaging in a shared AI generated stories. So some users create a collaborative AI experiences that you can participate in. So if you want to share a conversation with a friend, you can copy the chat link and send it to them. This allows them to view or continue the discussions with the AI character on their own accounts. And that's it. So while Character AI doesn't have a direct add friend features, you can still connect with others through shared conversations and community interactions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.